Is it going?
Yep.
Yay! Hey, Daddy, we're going to another lift.
It wasn't.
We're going.
You guys want to follow your dad?
Yeah.
Oh, I meant.
Daddy, we're following you. You go first.
You're gonna follow me.
Yeah.
I'm ready whenever you are, Jeff.
Alright.
We're going to let them go first. You smell good. Very cinnamony. I love you, cinnamon.
Everyone's going faster than me. Wipe out. Just kidding.
Here, give me your hand.
So we're going down?
Okay? I want you to stop. Alright. We're going to do turns, right? You're going to follow me, okay?
I already know
We're going to be
turns.
in a line, alright? If I stop, you stop, okay?
I'm not very good at lines. Last time I was in a line, I stopped. Yes, it's recording.
Last time I was in the line, it was last summer, and I slammed into the guy in front of me.
Okay, so we're going to go in a line.
Let's
right?
go.
This
I'm
is
not
what
very
I want
good at
both of you
lines.
to work on, okay? You're going to be the Ford truck. You're going to be
Audi.
the Audi, okay? And I really want you to keep your hands forward, whether it's Superman or you're driving a car. So what does that make you do when your hands are forward? It makes you have an athletic stance, right?
He already went
The
down.
big issue is both of you guys are in the back like this. You don't want to be. You want to be like this.
I was like this when I was coming down.
Okay, so we're going to do a snake.
Our dad was going down.
Nobody can go past me, okay?
I might on accident.
If you do, then you got to stop, okay?
Okay.
Becky, can you stay at the in the back in case somebody falls? Ready, guys?
Yep.
Here we go. Go down Houston.
It's going to be sort of steep.
Where's your car? Gonna do a big turn.
It's a little steep though.
You gotta slow down.
Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Ready? This way. Get slow all the way down to the stop.
Oop.
Alright. You ready for this?
Yep.
Okay, that, now it flattens back out again. Okay, follow me. Where's your hand? Yeah, all the way. Hey, cool. All the way around. Yeah, guys, you're doing awesome.
I spit out my gum. I accidentally spit out my gum.
Okay, we didn't choke on it.
Actually, I was a little bit.
How'd that feel?
Good.
It was a little steep at the beginning, wasn't it?
Yep.
You did good though.
I'm ready.
Wait, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Like that? Instead of just pointing it down like this, it's really good to
Turn.
work it on its side to side. Turn. Parallel like that. This side.
Like what I was doing?
Let's try that. It's gonna get a little steeper here coming up. All the way around and turn it.
Yep.
Nice, that's it.
Boop. Ah!
Remember how you do that? You're facing downhill.
Okay, I got it.
So remember what you want to do when you stand up? You want to be sideways against the mountain, right? It's going to be a lot easier.
I'm ready.
Ready? Here, give me your hand. Okay. We're going to go straight to the top of this next pit. And it's going to get a little steeper, okay?
Okay.
And then what we're going to do there is we're going to do those turns to a stop. Let's see you do it. Pick up that uphill. There it is. Nice.
Whoop.
You guys having fun?
Yep.
You're looking good. Alright, so we have a steep pitch coming here, okay?
Yeah, just open the eyes.
Oh, it's over here. Yeah, you have one pit and then you take them off every night.
Yeah.
Everything. Oh wow, it's blue.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
We're going to do turns to a stop, and I want you to all the way stop. I can't do that one.
Stop.
You got to bring up that, yep, lip, like that. Stomp it.
Everything's blue. No, it's white.
Here you go. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, we got a big turn coming up.
Lift up that uphill ski.
Oop.
You guys both got it! Alright, let's work on the right-hand turn. Ready?
Okay, buddy.
Go straight. Lift up that uphill. Yes! Do that one. Let's go. We'll do right again, okay?
Okay.
There is no such thing as camp. Right? Right? Yeah.
I can do both.
We're going to let these people go by us. Yeah! See? Be cool to do that one day, huh?
Sort of. I'm ready to go.
Ready?
Yep.
Everybody ready? Here we go. We're going to turn right. Let's pick up your skate. Turn right. All the way. Other right. Alright, here we go. We're going to do a couple in a row, alright?
Cameron fell.
Okay, Cameron, if you want to stand up on the mountain, how do you do it?
Car.
Sideways, not going straight down. Good job, buddy. You're getting it. Next thing you know,
That's steep.
yeah. That's why we're going to do turns.
I went down the steeper one just going side to side without doing the stopping thingy.
Yeah, but see, so what I'm teaching you guys here is parallel skiing. It's like your first step to parallel, which is this.
Hello.
Try to do those stops with driving your car. So this is steeper, right? You guys are going to do great. On this, we're going
Okay.
We're going to turn to the right first.
Uh-oh.
You guys both got it. Ready? Now let's turn to the left. Oh, ready?
He fell.
Good job. So which way do you get out to the mountain?
Sideways.
Yes, it is.
It's mine.
Why are you pointing those downhill? Ready?
Our dad's far ahead of us. There.
His first thing.
I know.
No, we don't, do we?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let me see you go without. You're going to go first.
Where?
Down. And I want to see you turn all the way to a stop. All the way. Pick up that ski.
Can I go?
There you go. No.
Oh. I have to wait for all you.
Go for it.
Which way?
You're going to go straight and then you're going to turn to the left all the way to a stop.
At the bottom? I did it. I did it. Can I go down with you? Can I go down with you? Okay. You're sliding. Yeah. Karen, get up! You're still sliding. Yeah, you can.
I'm going to come behind you here. Ready? Hold this. We're going to do it together, okay? Ready?
Can I go?
You wait for a sec, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we're going straight. I'll tell you when we're turning, okay? And now turn on the right key. All right, Austin. Pick up that ski. Here you go, buddy. You're killing it. All the way around, pick up the ski.
Yeah, I'm still going.
So I'm going to tell you this. Don't look down. Back the car, don't look down. Okay? You're still looking down.
Sorry.
Alright. You thought car? We're going to go straight here. I'm going to let you guys go first. Okay? Once you see a lift, that's the one we're going to take. I'll probably go in front of you, behind you, in front of you, behind you. Okay?
Ready?
Just work on little short turns. We don't need to... It's okay. We don't need to stop because this is pretty flat, okay?
Okay.
Go for it. I want to see the car, and I want to see you guys both looking up. Stop.
stop.
Okay. You were going real fast.
Hey, stop. Weenie. I stopped.
I know you did. Good job.
Let's go a little further so I didn't get stuck.
It's a little harder for snowboarders.
Yeah. Up. Trying to get up. Yeah, I'm up. Side to side down? Okay. Are you coming?
Okay, Cameron, I want to see you. There you go. Good job. Awesome. I'm proud of you.
Okay.
Good job. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Your boots unbuckled.
Unarmed.
You're good.
This is a little steep part, but oh well.
Alright, you want to follow me?
I know you don't want to speed down it.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Okay. Cameron, slow down!
Should we turn off your GoPro?
Got it.
Yep. Oh wait, it's still blinking.